In this video, we will demonstrate the setup of SlideAway, the safe, removable in-ground pool slide from SR Smith. You will need the following tools. SR Smith recommends 2 people set up SlideAway. The SlideAway comes partially assembled. The brace and dolly are separate from the slide. Use the dolly to move the slide onto the deck. Begin by positioning the dolly firmly under the SlideAway ladder. Once in place, use the ladder hand grips to slowly pull the slide towards you until the full weight of the slide is on the dolly and you have full visibility down the flume of the slide so you can safely roll it into place. Once your SlideAway is in the desired location, place your foot back onto the base of the dolly to secure it and carefully lean the slide back up until it is freestanding again. Make sure that the red lines on the sides of the runway exit are aligned to overhang the pool edge. Insert the brace as shown. Insert the drain hole plug provided. It is recommended to use a thread sealant or Teflon tape to prevent leaking. Remove the water cap and fill the ladder base with water up to the minimum fill line. Do not use the SlideAway until water has been filled to the recommended level. The last step before SlideAway is ready to use is the hose assembly. Start by threading the PVC nipple into the 90-degree elbow. Next, thread this piece into the threaded hole on the left side of the SlideAway. Screw it in tightly to prevent leaking, but be sure that the open end of the elbow is pointing down towards the bottom of the stairs. Lastly, screw in the garden hose adapter and the 2 hose clips as shown. You are now ready to connect the water supply hose to the garden hose adapter. Lock the hose into the hose clips to keep it secure and out of the way, then turn on the water and adjust the flow rate as required. You are now ready to use your SlideAway. Remember, the SlideAway is designed for children up to 125 pounds or 57 kilograms only. For more serious fun for all ages, please visit srsmith.com.